90 preguntas más usadas en inglés, preguntas que deben saber cuando empiezan a aprender inglés. Empecemos.
How are you? How are you?
¿Cómo estás?
How are you? How is it going? How is it going?
¿Cómo te va?
How is it going? What's your name? What's your name?
¿Cómo te llamas?
What's your name? What is your last name? What is your last name?
¿Cuál es tu apellido?
What is your last name? What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
¿A qué te dedicas?
What do you do for a living? Where are you from? Where are you from?
¿De dónde eres?
Where are you from? Where do you work? Where do you work?
¿Dónde trabajas?
Where do you work? Where do you live? Where do you live?
¿Dónde vives?
Where do you live? How old are you? How old are you?
¿Cuántos años tienes?
How old are you? Are you married, single? Are you married, single?
¿Estás casado o soltero?
Are you married, single? Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend?
¿Tienes novio o novia?
Do you have a boyfriend or girlfriend? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
¿Tienes hermanos?
Do you have any siblings? What are you doing for fun? What are you doing for fun?
¿Qué haces para divertirte?
What are you doing for fun? How do you feel? How do you feel?
¿Cómo te sientes?
How do you feel? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
¿Cuál es tu comida favorita?
What's your favorite food? What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
¿Cómo está el clima?
What's the weather like? Do you have a car? Do you have a car?
¿Tienes auto?
Do you have a car? What do you think about? What do you think about?
¿Qué piensas acerca de?
What do you think about? How's life in your country? How's life in your country?
¿Cómo es la vida en tu país?
How's life in your country? Can I see you again? Can I see you again?
¿Puedo verte de nuevo?
Can I see you again? Could you translate this for me? Could you translate this for me?
¿Podría traducir esto para mí?
Could you translate this for me? Sorry, I didn't understand that. Sorry, I didn't understand that.
Disculpe, no entendí eso.
Sorry, I didn't understand that. Can you show me how to get to? Can you show me how to get to?
¿Puede enseñarme cómo llegar a?
Can you show me how to get to? Which are the opening hours? Which are the opening hours?
¿Cuáles son las horas de apertura?
Which are the opening hours? Where's the currency exchange office? Where's the currency exchange office?
¿Dónde está la ventanilla de cambio?
Where's the currency exchange office? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map?
¿Me lo puede mostrar en el mapa?
Can you show me on the map? Where's the departure arrival lounge? Where's the departure arrival lounge?
¿Dónde está la sala de salida-llegada?
Where's the departure arrival lounge? What time will we be boarding? What time will we be boarding?
¿A qué hora embarcamos?
What time will we be boarding? My passport and booking reference. My passport and booking reference.
Mi pasaporte y número de reserva.
My passport and booking reference. Where is the baggage reclaim? Where is the baggage reclaim?
¿Dónde es la recogida de equipaje?
Where is the baggage reclaim? What time do I have to check in? What time do I have to check in?
¿A qué hora debo registrar mi equipaje?
What time do I have to check in? My baggage has not arrived yet. My baggage has not arrived yet.
Mi equipaje no ha llegado todavía.
My baggage has not arrived yet. How late will the flight be? How late will the flight be?
¿Qué tan atrasado está el vuelo?
How late will the flight be? I think I'm sick. I think I'm sick.
Creo que estoy enfermo.
I think I'm sick. I need a doctor. I need a doctor.
Necesito un doctor.
I need a doctor. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone?
¿Me permite usar su teléfono?
Can I use your phone? Where is the nearest? Where is the nearest?
¿Dónde está el lugar más cercano?
Where is the nearest? May I go to the restroom? May I go to the restroom?
¿Puedo ir al baño?
May I go to the restroom? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please?
¿Puede repetirlo, por favor?
Can you repeat that, please? Can you explain it, please?
¿Podría explicarlo, por favor?
Can you explain it, please? May I copy this?
¿Puedo copiar esto?
May I copy this? Sorry, I can't hear you. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Lo siento, no puedo escucharte.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you say it one more time, please? Can you say it one more time, please?
¿Puede decirlo una vez más, por favor?
Can you say it one more time, please? How do you say? How do you say?
¿Cómo se dice?
How do you say? I need some help. I need some help.
Necesito algo de ayuda.
I need some help. Do we have homework today? Do we have homework today?
¿Tenemos tarea hoy?
Do we have homework today? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen?
¿Tienes un bolígrafo?
Do you have a pen? I have a test. I have a test.
Tengo un examen.
I have a test. Excuse me, I have a question. Excuse me, I have a question.
Disculpe, tengo una pregunta.
Excuse me, I have a question. Here's my essay. Here's my essay.
Aquí está mi ensayo.
Here's my essay. What page are we on? What page are we on?
¿En qué página estamos?
What page are we on? How do you spell? How do you spell?
¿Cómo se deletrea?
How do you spell? I need more time for the test. I need more time for the test.
Necesito más tiempo para la prueba.
I need more time for the test. Do we have to write this down? Do we have to write this down?
¿Tenemos que escribir eso?
Do we have to write this down? Where can I search for it? Where can I search for it?
¿Dónde puedo buscarlo?
Where can I search for it?